Arro card issues usually come from simple account verification problems, app syncing delays, or payment restrictions, rather than anything permanently wrong with the card itself. By the end, you'll know the exact reasons the Arro card stops working, how to fix the most common errors step by step, and when the issue is on the app side versus your bank or merchant. Start with the most common cause. Most card not working. Problems happen when the transaction is being blocked during authorization, not when the physical or digital card is actually broken. That means the system is rejecting the payment before it even completes. This usually happens when account verification is incomplete or the app detects something unusual in the transaction pattern. First thing to check is your account status. If your identity verification is not fully completed inside the app, some transactions may fail, even if your card looks active. Next is balance or funding source issues. If your linked bank account does not have enough available funds or is temporarily restricted, payments can be declined at checkout. Another common issue is merchant compatibility. Some prepaid or fintech-linked cards don't work with certain merchants, subscription services, or international payment processors. Now move to app and syncing problems. If the Arro app hasn't synced recently with your bank account, the card can appear active but still fail during real-time authorization. A simple fix here is refreshing your linked accounts inside the app and resyncing your bank connection so the latest balance and activity data is pulled in. Also check for transaction limits or fraud flags. If multiple payments fail in a short period, the system may temporarily pause transactions to protect your account. In that case, waiting a short period and retrying after confirming your details are correct often resolves the issue. Now look at device and payment setup issues. If you're using a digital wallet, outdated card details or an expired token inside Apple Pay or Google Pay can also cause repeated declines. Removing and re-adding the card inside the wallet usually resets the connection and fixes this type of error. Here's the key idea most people miss. When an Arro card doesn't work, it's almost never a single broken card problem. It's usually a mismatch between account data, verification status, or merchant rules. So the fix is about isolating the cause step by step, instead of assuming the card itself is faulty. Quick recap. L&A. Most issues come from verification status, syncing problems, merchant restrictions, or wallet setup errors. Fixing those areas usually restores normal function. Next step is simple. Check your app status first, then resync your bank connection, and finally test the card on a different merchant to identify where the failure is happening. Like and subscribe for more clear fixes for fintech card issues without the confusion.